Welcome back guys to my tutorial, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to configure a macro in Zendesk. First of all, we will go to Zendesk Admin Center, and from the Admin Center we will go to Workspaces. From Workspaces we will go to Macros. And from here, guys, we will go ahead and click on Create Macro. So the name of the macro that we will give for our specific case now is, let's password reset instructions. Description, we'll just fill in something like a macro to send password reset instructions for login issues, and we will make it available for all agents. Of course, you can dedicate as per your requirements. Now we will click on add actions here. We will add a comment, which is, let's say, something like, let's say, hello. And there we have it, guys. So that's all. We have our macro, and we will just click now on create, and there we have it. Boom, here we go. Password reset instructions. We already have a new macro. So to recap what we did in this tutorial, guys, first of all, we navigated to the admin center, and then we have created a new macro to streamline responses for password reset requests. We've named it to a password reset instructions. We've added the commands. We've put as well placeholders to personalize the response. So what we will do now is we will go back to our views dashboard, and we will add in our tags something like password reset, and we will click on add tag. So this, guys, is gonna make it easy for us to track our tags. And what we will do now is we will refresh our page to just see our updated macro. And there we go, guys. Password reset instructions macro already added. So, and in this instance, we will click on password reset instructions, and there we go. That's the placeholder that we have input, which detects the name automatically, and we have the auto-generated response. And for those of you guys who just do not know what a macro is just a predefined action or response which is very helpful for agents to save time and to stay consistent. And one more great thing about macros is that it's perfect for handling common requests and repetitive tasks. So just a quick recap, what we've done now here is that we have just applied the password reset instructions macro that we created, which has automatically generated a professional response. It updated the ticket status, and we have also ensured that the ticket is properly tagged for tracking. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, click on subscribe, and share with me your comments. Is there any specific tutorial that you would like to have on Zendesk, or anything specific that you want to know about Zendesk? Thank you, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.